Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be making this delicious coconut rice. Delicious, tasty, like premium coconut rice. So if you want to see how I'll cook this coconut rice, please keep on watching. If you are new to the channel, don't forget to like and subscribe guys. So let's get started. For my pepper mix, I'm going to be using the barest minimum, tatashe, rodo and shombo with onions. So I'm just going to roughly blend the pepper, and then I'm going to be blending my onions separately. If you are not new to the channel, you know why I do this is because the people in my house don't like seeing onions, so I have to always blend the onion separately. So into my pot, I'm going to be using this coconut oil. So the first thing I put is the coconut oil. Now I'm adding vegetable oil. I'm going to allow it to get hot, and then I'll be pouring the blended onions to just build flavor. I'm going to allow it simmer for some time before adding other spices to just build up flavor. I like to build up flavor. It is very important to build up flavor. Trust me, it makes a lot of difference. So this is what I would normally do. Like, just start by frying the onions, and now I'm adding my mixed herb. And after adding the mixed herb, I'm going to also allow it fry into the blended onions before adding my next spice, which would be my thyme. I particularly love thyme, like a lot. So in cooking my coconut rice, I'm not going to be adding curry, but I'm adding thyme, and I'll just allow it to also fry. And the next thing I'll be adding is my smoked catfish, already cleaned and deboned catfish. So this is also to release flavor. So I'm using two large smoked catfish. So I'm just going to allow it to fry for some time, and trust me, this will also release flavor into the mix. So you guys can see how we're building flavors. So there's really no way the end results will not come out like really nice, because we're not rushing anything, and trust me, everything is on a low heat. So after frying for some time, I'll be adding my roughly blended pepper, the one I was blending the other time, just roughly blended, and I'm just going to cover it and allow it simmer for some time before adding my seasoning powder, which in this case I'm using no seasoning powder. So I'm going to mix it up before adding, allow it simmer, and then now I'll be adding my washed basmati rice. So guys, I'm not really a fan of basmati rice, so I know a lot of people will roll their eyes, but trust me, it's because that's what I had on this day, so I just had to work with what I had. So yeah, normally I prefer my normal long grain, Niger rice, yeah, but today, yes, basmati I'm working with. So yes, I'm just mixing the rice together with the pepper mix and everything. I'll just mix it for a while and just let it toast, yeah, for a while before moving on to the next stage. So this is me just mixing the rice and allowing every grain mix up with pepper and everything in the pot already. So this is me putting the coconut milk. I actually added more, but I don't think I have the clips. And please guys, if you are in the UK, to be precise, all this store coconut milk, I've not gotten any one that I really like. So if you are in the UK and you've gotten like coconut milk from the store that is very nice, please plug me in the comment section, please. Thank God I used coconut oil for this rice, because that coconut milk, nah, I didn't really like it. I didn't think that it made any difference. So after pouring my coconut milk, I added my meat stock, my rich meat stock, also for flavor. And then the next thing I added was crayfish powder in your coconut rice. Very, very important. Like, well, personally I love it. So yeah, we just be adding water. And I don't know if you guys noticed that I did not put salt. This is because my meat stock is rich and it has salt, and after tasting I noticed that there was no need for salt. So please, you can do well by putting salt in your own if after tasting. So yeah, I covered it up about, to be honest, I can't remember how many minutes later. But you guys, basmati rice is quick to, it doesn't take time at all. I added water, little water, mixed it, and then this is maybe, I don't know, maybe about 15 minutes later, but please don't quote me on that. Just keep checking your rice. So now the next thing I'm going to be doing is, because I don't want to add more water, I'm just going to be okay, now it has like, but I'm starting is about 70% cooked. Now I'm just adding my scent leaf. Oh, this is the game changer. Just add your scent leaf. This is good. This changed the game, trust me. It changed the game. So after adding my scent leaf, I'll be using my foil paper to just trap in the heat and then leave it to continue cooking. So I'm just going to be using my foil paper, cover it up. Notice I didn't add any more water because there was no need to add more water. So I just allowed it to steam up, and then yeah, our food is ready. Very easy, quick, fast, but yummy. So yes, the rice is ready, the coconut rice is ready. So I'm just going to fluff it up, and yes, this is basically it, guys. By the way, if you have your other orishi, when I added the what's it called, the smoked catfish, if you have other orishi at that stage, put everything. That's your momo, your anything you want to add. So yes, this is the results, guys. I just served it into this my nice glass plate, and yeah, look at our smoked catfish. This rice, very nice, guys. Don't forget, if you have plugs for coconut milk, please let me know in the comment section. If you are new to the channel, please, I have lots of videos, don't forget to watch. Thank you for watching.